A tailgating party. I don't even know what that means. I'm doing this delicious cornflower dress. Is this what one wears to a tailgating party? Should I go yellow? Michael always tells me, do not clean your glasses with a Kleenex. I think simple Simon jewelry, yes? She's simple, right? She's clear. Nobody'll see her. These little magnolia drops, look at these. I need to make these again. Seeing as we're going all citrusy, I haven't given her any love all summer. I think this is fabulous. You know why this works so well? Green and yellow. They're right next to each other on the rainbow. So they look elevated together. The slight unexpected clash is very tailgate chic, yes? You see? Yellow to green to blue. Just follow the rainbow. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Should we add a little tinkle tankle? I don't know. People might not understand me. What a shame. Okay, we'll compromise. We'll take the earrings off. Should we do these instead? More demure, yes? Seeing as it's still an incinerator in Dallas, some sun protection is required. But the last time I wore a parasol to a football game, it may not have been that considerate to the guy in the stands behind me. Okay, I really want to wear her. But Eli would kill me. How about her? Is she too much? Should we leave her and just take the earrings off? I think she's worth a little shock and awe, yes? Okay, done. Go team!